I'm going to show you what to do if you have a decimal in the divisor but not in the dividend, or if you have more decimal place values in the divisor than in the dividend. So right here, divisor, dividend, divisor, dividend, divisor, dividend. All these you have decimals in the divisor, and none of these you have decimals in the dividend. So from the previous video, you might have learned that you have to make this a whole number. So they shift this decimal one spot to make this 3 wholes. So the decimal goes right there. Well, there's no decimal here right now. We can always have a decimal right next to our ones place. So now if I shift this one spot to here, we now have a decimal here. We have this empty place value. An empty place value can be turned into a 0. Now if I rewrote this problem, it would look like this. 3 and 2, 130. Do the same thing for this problem right here. Then move this decimal 2 spots to make this a whole 5. Now it's just 5 wholes. It's a whole 5. So there's no decimal here, so we're going to add 1. I have to shift this decimal 2 spots. 1, 2. Now I have the decimal right there. We have 1 empty place value and 2 empty place values, which can be turned into zeros. With this problem, it would be 5 wholes going into 6,500. And that would be what we can do to find the answer here. We could do this problem right here to find the answer there. So the same thing over here. We have 2 decimal place values and none. You can add a decimal here and use the same steps we did over here to figure out the answer on this problem. If you need any more help, let me know. I'll do one problem real quick. So this middle one. So 5 goes into 6 one time. Now I multiply 5 times 1, get 5. Subtract it, and we get 1. Bring down my 5. 5 goes into 15 3 times. Go straight up. There's my 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract my 15. Bring down my 0. 5 can go into 0. Impossible. So if I go straight in a line, I can put a 0 in this spot. 5 goes into 0 0 times. Bring down my next 0. 5 can go into 0. Again, 0 times. So I go straight up into my quotient. Put a 0 right there. And the answer would be 1,300. That means this answer over here is also 1,300. Same answer. All right. Good luck.